Hello everyone, and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. Do you want to use your computer faster and save time while working? Then you need to know computer shortcut keys. Shortcut keys allows you to perform common tasks quickly without always using the mouse. In this video, we will learn 50 of the most useful computer keyboard shortcuts that every computer user should know. So let's get started. Basic shortcut keys. The first shortcut is Ctrl C. It is used to copy selected text, files, or other items. Ctrl X. Cut. Ctrl X is used to cut selected text, files, or items. You can then paste them somewhere else. Ctrl V is Ctrl V is used to paste, copied, or cut content. This is one of the most frequently used keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl is at undo. Made a mistake, press Ctrl Ising to undo your last action. Ctrl Y. Redo. If you want to reverse an undo action, use Ctrl Y. It is commonly used for redoing an action. Ctrl A. Select all. Press Ctrl A to select all available text, files, or items in the current area. Ctrl S. Save. Want to quickly save your work? Press Ctrl S. This shortcut is especially useful when working with documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Ctrl P. Print. Press Ctrl P to quickly open the Print dialog box. Ctrl F. Find. Need to find a specific word or phrase. Press Ctrl F and type what you are looking for. Ctrl H. Replace. Press Ctrl H to open the Find and Replace feature in many applications. Document shortcuts. Ctrl N. New. Press Ctrl N to create a new document, window, or file depending on the application. Ctrl O. Open. Press Ctrl O to open existing file or document. Ctrl W. Close. Press Ctrl W to close the current document or window in many applications. Ctrl B. Bold. Want to make text bold? Select the text and press Ctrl B. Ctrl I. Italic. Press Ctrl I to make selected text italic. Ctrl U. Underline. Press Ctrl U to underline text, selected text. Ctrl K. Insert link. Press Ctrl K to insert or edit a hyperlink in many applications. Web browser shortcuts. Ctrl T. New tab. Want to open a new browser tab? Simply press Ctrl T. Ctrl Shift T. Bring open close tab. Accidentally closed a browser tab. Don't worry. Press Ctrl Shift T to reopen the recently closed tab. Ctrl Tab. Next tab. Press Ctrl Tab to move to the next browser tab. Ctrl Shift Tab. Previous tab. Press Ctrl Shift Tab to move to the previous browser tabs. Ctrl Address bars. Press Ctrl A to instantly select the browser's address bar. You can then type a website address or search term. Ctrl R. Refresh. Press Ctrl R to refresh the current web page. Ctrl D. Bookmark. Want to save for web page for later? Press Ctrl D to bookmark the current page. Ctrl Just. Zoom in. Press Ctrl++ to zoom in on a web page or supported application. Ctrl+- Zoom out. Press Ctrl+- to zoom out. Windows shortcuts. Windows plus D, Windows top. Press Windows key plus D to quickly show or hide the desktop. Windows plus A, lock computer. Leaving your computer for a moment, press Windows key plus A to quickly lock your computer. Windows plus R, run. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Windows plus I, settings. Press Windows key plus I to quickly open Windows setting. Windows plus S, search. Press Windows key plus S to open Windows search. Windows plus tab, task view. Press Windows key plus tab to open task view and see your open windows and desktops. Windows plus Shift plus S, screenshot. Want to capture part of your screen? Press Windows key plus Shift plus S. This opens the Windows screen snipping tool. Useful system shortcuts. Alt plus Tab. Switch windows. Working with multiple applications, press Alt plus Tab to quickly switch between open windows. Alt plus F4, close window. Press Alt plus F4 to close the active window or application. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Task Manager. If you need to quickly open Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Security options. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open the Windows Security Options screen. Windows plus M. Minimize windows. Press Windows key plus M to minimize all open windows. Next, navigation shortcuts. Home, beginning of line. Press the Home key to move the cursor to the beginning of a line in many text editing situations. End of line. Press the End key to move the cursor to the end of a line. Ctrl plus Home, beginning of document. Press Ctrl plus Home to quickly move to the beginning of a document of a page. Ctrl plus end of document. Press Ctrl plus End to quickly move to the end of a document, a page. Ctrl plus left arrow, previous word. Press Ctrl plus left arrow to move the cursor one word to the left. Ctrl plus right arrow, next word. Press Ctrl plus right arrow to move the cursor one word to the right. File management shortcuts. Delete item. Select an item and press the Delete key to delete. Very superb in Windows. Shift plus Delete. Permanent delete. Press Delete to delete a selected file without first moving it to the recycle bin. Be careful when using this shortcut. F2, rename. Want to quickly rename a selected file? Select the file and press F2. F5, refresh. Finally, F5 is commonly used to refresh or reload the current window or page. Let's quickly recap some of the most important shortcuts. Ctrl plus Z, copy. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus A, undo. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus S, sew. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus T, new tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus T, reopen close tab. Alt plus Tab, switch windows. Windows plus E, floor, close window. Windows plus E, file explorer. Windows plus L, lock computer. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, task manager. F2, rename. F4, refresh. And that's it for today's video. Now you know 50 useful computer shortcut keys that can help you work faster and more efficiently. Which shortcut do you use the most? Let us know in the comments below. Is this video helpful? Like the video, subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab, and turn on the notification bell for more computer tips, ICT lessons, quizzes, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.